Okay, hello everyone. Um, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the first lesson of the vibe coding course, which is setting up your tools. And here on this first lesson, I have a list of 3 tools that you'll need to get set up in order to progress through the vibe coding lessons. So we're just going to step through them one by one. So the first one is GitHub. So this is GitHub. You'll need a GitHub account. I already have one, but if you don't have one yet, you'll want to click on the sign up button and kind of enter your information here and create your account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to try signing into mine. Okay, so this is what the logged in version of GitHub looks like. You should see kind of a user profile menu on the top right corner, and you probably don't have any repositories or projects, but you can see here's my list of projects. Yours might look empty or more empty if you just created the account. But if you already have projects, you'll see them here, or we call them repositories. The next thing you'll need set up is Google AI Studio. So this is the home page for Google AI Studio. This is what we're going to be using as a tool to vibe code and basically work with some kind of AI tool that Google has provided with us. So to kind of log into this, to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the logged in version of Google AI Studio. You can basically click on this build menu item on the left sidebar, and in the next couple of lessons, we're going to be working with AI Studio to build us a simple React web app. But this is kind of what it looks like when you first log in. And the final tool that we need to kind of get set up is called Vercel. And Vercel is what's going to enable us to basically publish the projects that we're building to the internet and make them publicly available. So without Vercel, whatever projects we build inside of Google AI Studio, they would only be visible or accessible to you inside of the studio. But once you deploy or publish your web app to the cloud or to the internet, Vercel will give you a URL or a link, and that with that link you can basically access your website on your phone, on various devices. You can send that URL or link around to other people and they can check out your web app. So that's why we need Vercel. So again, you can try to sign up and kind of go through the sign up flow. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in with my GitHub account. So it's probably important that you set up your GitHub account first. And then here's my Vercel kind of homepage as a logged in user. Again, you might not have as many projects. Here's a bunch of different projects that I've been working on that I have deployed or I have published to the internet. And when you want to create a new project inside your Vercel homepage, you'll click on Add New and you'll click on Project. And then if you link your GitHub account to your Vercel project, you'll see all your repositories here, and you can kind of pick the one that you want to publish. So we're going to kind of need to use all 3 tools together, GitHub, Google AI Studio, and Vercel in order to fully deploy your first vibe-coded web app. When you're finished with that, you can kind of select this check mark, this completion criteria, saying you've completed your GitHub, Google AI Studio, and Vercel setup, and then move on to the next lesson.